Now that you know about communication and teamwork, let's move on to our next life skill, critical thinking. Critical thinking is the ability to consider other points of view, evaluate your own thinking, and then act on what is true. Experts say there are 3 ways that we tend to think. Simplistic thinkers believe most of what they see or hear. They usually don't ask questions, and they generally go along with other people's ideas. Egocentric thinkers believe just what they need to get what they want. They often manipulate others. They might not be willing to consider other points of view, and they always want to be right. Critical thinkers genuinely want to learn. They don't believe everything they hear or see. They are motivated to understand other viewpoints. They are empathetic toward others. They don't act on ideas that they don't understand. And they're not afraid to say, "I don't know." Critical thinking is important because it helps you remove bias and emotion from information, so you're left with facts to make your own decisions.